Hey man, it's your boy Tayqueestv. I'm back with another video. Today's video, as you see in the title, I'm gonna be teaching y'all young niggas how to use and how to maneuver and operate automated YouTube. Now, off the rip, if you first thing first, bro, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I get free money game, clothing brands tutorials, story time, vlogs. I do it all, my nigga. Like, I'm gonna bless y'all with free game. I'm gonna give y'all free knowledge. You feel me? Motherfucker, how to hustle, different hustling moves, all type of shit, and entertainment at the end of the day. So if you fuck with that, you like any of that content, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. But first thing first, I'm gonna just jump straight into it. I'm gonna start by defining what automated YouTube is. Now, automated YouTube it's not YouTube that does itself like the title would say, but automated YouTube is basically automated videos, or you just repurposing and re-uploading content without your face. Like your face and your brand is not behind the YouTube. Now, for example, I'll give you a few examples. Those channels you see where it's like 10 hours of rain sounds, or 10 hours, like those help you sleep at night, where they play the sounds or the music for like 10 hours, or like it's just automatically done. Like, you don't have to put no face, no editing, no work, no effort. Well, you're gonna put work and effort because you're gonna be re-uploading shit, but overall, it's not that much work, and it's a passive stream of income. Now, I'm finna break down my experience with automated YouTube and how you can get into it and make your money in it. Now, my experience with automated YouTube, I actually kind of started this shit. All right, let's flashback. So my senior year was what, 2020? So that's when I first kind of found out, like, that's when I started my like entrepreneur journey. Like, my senior year, we were bored doing school on computer. I was trying to get some money on, you feel me? Now, my experience with it was, I used it in a way where it like, so basically for me, the way I got into it, the way I started using automated YouTube, 2020, like I said, I started a channel where I would re-upload videos, but it's like music videos or songs and music, but instead of just uploading a full song, because I knew I was gonna get copyrighted, what I would do personally, I would chop and screw it, or however you could call it, slowed and reverb, chopped and screwed, however you want to, slowed the song down, like made it a reverb song, and then I would just re-upload it. It would get monetized because the reverb and the slowed down kind of like chopped it up or whatever. And then boom, I had this page called Inverted Illusion. I would post like compilations, like 10 hours of Drake songs, 10 hour of Youngboy, 10 hour of this, 10 hour of that. And over time, I accumulated, I think, 11,000, 12,000 subscribers. But the subscriber count isn't what really matters. It was the fact that, okay, you just need 1,000. I'm gonna break down the game right now. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your channel to get monetized. Now, once you get monetized, it don't matter. You don't need 10,000. You don't need 100,000. You can get paid from the day you have 1,000 subscribers on. So basically, what I was doing is, okay, I'm uploading these music compilations. So boom, music compilations, motherfucking reverb and slowed. And these videos, regardless of if I'm getting subscribers or not, these videos getting tens and 100,000s of views. You feel me? So back in, this money is coming straight to me. Now, I did make a mistake. I'm gonna explain my mistake, but for a few months, like this was like actively going. So boom, I'm making money, I'm making money. Now I'm finna describe my mistake so y'all can avoid making this mistake. Now, my mistake was I was using copyrighted material. I didn't know what I was doing. Like, I knew you could get copyrighted, but I didn't know like what I was doing. I wasn't thinking about what I was doing. So over time, like, I'm gaining, partner monetized, all that. One day, boom, YouTube hits the fuck out my channel. Now, what do I mean by this? They literally demonetized all my videos. They copyrighted strike all my videos. Some of my Drake videos, the 10 hours of Drake, 10 hours of this time, all of them deleted, gone, like never to be seen again. Like, those the ones that got pulled down. So it kind of like sucked the life out of my channel. So for those few months, it was a lucrative like side hustle. Now, what I would recommend you do, I would do other shit. Like, I wouldn't use shit that you know is gonna get pulled down. Like, I would just re-upload. Say you pick a niche. No, Now I'm gonna break down how you should approach this and your strategy towards this. Now, first thing first, I would pick a niche. Now, what is a niche? A niche is like a specific category of content. Now, I'm finna break down. So I got a fucking comic book that I had when I was like in 6th grade, bro. Just cause I was looking through old shit. So if my niche was DC Comics or Superman, Batman, or superhero type content, I might repost like news about the upcoming Marvel or DC movies. I might anything related to that topic. I'm repurposing any type of content that goes that way. If my page is about sports, nigga, like I'm doing weekly breakdowns, rankings, all type of shit, like power rankings, fantasy rankings, my this week prize picks, like any type of things, bro. Bro, you just gotta repost content 3 times a day. 3 times a day, that's the strategy, bro. 3 times a day, every day. 3 times a day, you gonna grow. You gonna see what I'm talking about now. Now after that, like once you pick your niche, bro, that's when, like I was saying, next thing you wanna do is consistency, bro. Now pick your niche, start your channel, and off the real first day, you don't have to make no content, bro. So I don't want to hear no excuses about consistency, because none of this shit is original content, bro. Post 3 times a day. Now what you're gonna notice over time, especially if you capitalize off YouTube Shorts, you're gonna notice that your channel is accelerating at a faster pace than like it would with a face channel. Like you're gonna notice this increase. You just have to it's on you to be consistent now. Now, once you build the consistency, there's not really much you have to do, bro. But what I will recommend, the third thing is engagement. Now, what is engagement? Now, hold on. I'm about to show y'all my phone. Okay, this is my YouTube channel. Now, I don't know if y'all can see this number. Hold on, let me focus it. Y'all can't see the number, it's not focused. It says 153,000 people. Now, those are my YouTube impressions. Now, what does this mean? Now, this means my YouTube channel has a grown engagement to the point where, okay, this video got this amount of likes and this amount of comments and then this amount of watch time. So YouTube is gonna recommend my video to a large sum of people. So every time you have a good video or a video that's doing good in the ratios, the like, comment, I think it's 10% comment. I think it's 10%, then 10% of that should be a comment ratio. I don't know the exact math, but that's pretty much close to what it is. Now once you do that and YouTube start mass like sharing your video out, that's when your content is gonna start picking up. But that's when the consistency comes, because it's an automated channel. Now if I click on your channel and you got one video about Superman, I'm clicking your channel to watch 50 of them. Like that's why you capitalize off shorts. Now I scroll through, you only got 2 videos posted. Like I might not subscribe, I might just watch them 2 videos and go on, bro. That's what I'm saying. You gotta be consistent, and you gotta find a good niche, find a uncopyrighted niche. Consistency. I just made you a couple $100, a couple $1,000, like depending on how far you take it, bro. It's that simple. I'm not gonna put no extra. I'm not gonna do too much. I'm not gonna put extra to it. I'm gonna just tell y'all the baseline, how to do it, and that's it. Like I'm not the type of person to get on YouTube and act like I'm fucking solving puzzles. Like it's literally that simple. It's just the consistency and knowing what niche to pick. Now, if you need any help or anything, any ideas, comment in the description. I got y'all. But if you made this point of view, like, comment, subscribe, new. It's your boy Tayqueestv. Come on.